I woke up very tired from an eventful night before. Everything feels super surreal. Like the results I've gotten, how I feel internally, like my self-esteem and confidence are just so much higher than the beginning. Yeah, just everything's changed. It really was like a life-changing experience for me. Hey, my name's Alex. I just finished the 5-day immersion program. I came out of a long-term relationship a couple of months ago. It was a great relationship, but I felt like she wasn't the one for me. Jumping into this was really a logical step for myself because I wanted to really attract like the next partner I'm with. I want her to be like the last partner I'm with, really. Have a kids, a family, all that type of thing. So I felt for me, this was the next logical step to facilitate that in my life. So day one of the social immersion, we met up with the boys from Social Freedom and we did a Q&A session where we went over kind of our goals and what we wanted out of this program. So we went through like our 3-month, 6-month and 12-month goals. From there, we went out and hit the streets and we did some progressive desensitization exercises. Now these were super challenging, but the feeling afterwards was like just kind of a sense of relief, like all that anxiety had left my body and I just felt insanely more confident. Using that confidence, I was able to go around and have some great interactions with some lovely people. And then the craziest interaction happened. I met an international Russian model and actress, and by implementing kind of the mindsets that I'd been taught by the Social Freedom boys, I was able to take her on a date instantly and we spent like most of the evening together. I didn't even think something like that was possible, but yeah, it happened. So day 2 of program, first up we had another Q&A. Within this there was a lot more theory. We went over like the basic structure, some more mindsets, all that type of thing. We also did a few role plays to really embed it. Using that and then also the mindsets that they'd given us, we went out. And previously, like when I went out, I didn't really speak to anybody. I found it hard just to socialize with people I didn't know. But after the Q&A, just went out there and smashed it. Had lots of great conversations with tons of people. Spent most of the night with one girl that I really liked. So day 3, much like day 1, went back out to the streets. With probably my increased self-esteem, I was able to go out and have a lot of interactions with a lot of quality people. I got a lot of numbers actually and set up like more dates that I actually have time for the next week. And then I bumped into this girl and she met like all the qualities of what I was searching for originally when I took this program. It was kind of like an instant connection. And to be honest, she was like the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. And just to have that confidence to make that connection with her was like really life-changing. We went on a date instantly, enjoyed each other's company so much that I invited her back to mine and we had a really intimate evening together. So day 4, first we came back and did another Q&A session where we covered more of the advanced content, and then we went out. My very first interaction, I met a girl and we spent several hours together, which ended with her dragging me around the clubs. We had like a great connection and everything, but I switched venues and then I bumped into 2 other girls who I had an interaction with that I probably didn't even dream of having before. From meeting them, they were a lot of fun. It got a little crazy. And I brought them back to where I was staying and had a very enjoyable evening with their company. All right, so day 5 of the program. I woke up very tired from an eventful night before. Everything feels super surreal. Like the results I've gotten, how I feel internally, like my self-esteem and confidence are just so much higher than the beginning. But yeah, went out, hit the streets again, had a lot of quality interactions, got more numbers, set up dates for the next couple of weeks. yeah, just everything's changed. It's really was like a life-changing experience for me. If you're sitting on the fence for this, like, just do it. Like, I don't know what's holding you back, to be honest. I didn't even think these results were possible, but yeah, it all happened.